Convert function converts a number from one measurement system to another. This function has three arguments. In number argument, select the value or number in from units to convert. In from unit argument, select or type the unit of number that you want to convert. In to unit argument, select or type the unit of number that you want. In number box, select the cell reference, press tab key. In from unit box, type kg. This cell has value 24 kg. In to unit box, type G. Click OK. Function converts this value 24 kg to 24,000 grams. Activate this cell. Click Convert function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In from unit box, type IN, press tab key. This cell has value 15 inch. Press tab key. In to unit box, type FT. Click OK. Function converts this value 15 inch to 1.25 foot. Activate this cell. Click Convert function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key, type YD. This cell has value 36 yards. Press tab key, type M. Click OK. Function converts this value 36 yards to 32.918 meters. Activate this cell. Click Convert function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In from unit box, type GAL. This cell has value 65 gallons. Press tab key. In to unit box, type uppercase or lowercase letters L. Click OK. Function converts 65 gallons to 246.05 liters. Activate this cell. Click Convert function. In number box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In from unit box, type uppercase letter K. This cell has value 48 Kelvin. Press tab key. In to unit box, type uppercase letter C. Click OK. Function converts this value 48 Kelvin to negative 225.15 degrees Celsius. You will return value error value if you have entered incorrect unit in unit argument. You will return an error value if the unit does not exist. So enter correct unit in unit arguments. In this way, you can convert a unit from one form to another.